Subramanian, Adjunct Faculty, Department of Mining Engineer. Today our topic is earthquake. Earthquake is an event of any sudden shaking of ground caused by the passage of seismic waves through the earthquake rocks. Earthquake can cause the damage to buildings, roads, dams, bridges. It can cause the landslide, floods and tsunamis. It can also cause the damage to life and properties. The causes of earthquake: moving the magma and volcanic fluids. What is the magma? Magma is a mixture of molten or semi-molten rock, volatile and solid, that found beneath the surface of the earth. Magma is the complex of high temperature fluid substances. This temperature is the most magma or the ranges of 700 to 1300 degrees centigrade. Causes of earthquake: fault, where the crust is being pulled apart. The normal faulting occurs in the while the overlying rocks moves down with respect to the lower block. Other reasons: the roof of the underground caves sometimes give the way and release the great forces to the causes minor tremors in the earthquake crust. Nuclear explosion also release the massive energy to causes the tremors in the earthquake crust. Landslide, rock slide and slumping of the rocks. Movement of the magma, gases or rocks associated with the volcanisms. Seismic waves: first British geologist became a superintendent geologist in Geological Survey of India in 1879 and founder of the modern seismology. He is the first to identify the separate the arrival of the waves, body waves, that is a primary waves and the secondary waves. And there is a second surface waves. This is called the L and the R waves. Three types of seismic waves: P waves, surface waves and L waves. Two major classes. Both waves will travel inside the body of the earth. The two subclasses, primary waves or the P waves. Secondary waves, that is the S waves, also known as shear waves. And second one, surface waves, which travel through the surface of the earth. It is the two subclasses. One is the Rayleigh waves and another is the Love waves. Primary waves are fastest in all the type of rocks: solid, liquid, gases. And the secondary waves, shear waves, motion into the right angle to the direction of the waves. Off speed of the P waves, travel only through the solid only. That is a secondary wave, slower than the P waves, travel through solid only. Shear waves move the material perpendicular to the movement. P waves, the primary pressure, push and pull waves, travel very fastest than the seismic waves, average 6 km per second, travel through the all type of rocks, solid, liquid and gases. And the secondary waves only for the 4 seconds in the kilometers. Surface waves move along the earthquake surface, radiating out from the epicenters. Two types of waves: Rayleigh waves and Love waves. Primary earthquake hazards are very ground shaking, landslide, surface rupturing. The secondary earthquake hazards are those are caused by the primary hazards and may often be more catastrophic: tsunamis, flooding, fire. Surface waves travel just below along the ground surface, slower than the body waves, rolling and side to side movement, especially very damaging. How the earthquake measured? Earthquake until recently have been measured by Richter scale. The Richter scale measured the magnitude of the earthquake. How is the powerful it is? It is measured using the machine called seismometer, which produces a seismograph. Richter scale is normally number 1 to 10, though there is no upper limit. Earthquake magnitude logarithmic scale is expressed to the total amount of energy released at the source of earthquake. Richter scales is the first device. Charles Richter is the first finder of the Richter scales. Magnitude of the scales. Suppose the magnitude 2.5 to 5.4. It is the earthquake effect, very field, but only causes the minor damage. Magnitude scale 5.5 to 6. Slight damage to the buildings and other structures. 6.1 to 6.9 may cause a lot of damages in very populated area. 7.0 to 7.9 major earthquake, serious damage. Intensity, that the intensity of quality of measured is the actual shaking at a location during the earthquake is assigned to the Roman capital numbers 1 to 12. Why the earthquakes dangerous? Over the centuries, earthquakes have been responsible for millions of deaths and an incalculable amount of damage to the property. Depending on their intensity, earthquake can topple the building and the bridges, rupture the gas pipeline and other infrastructure, and they trigger the landslide, tsunamis, and volcanoes. These phenomena are primarily responsible for deaths and injuries. Very great earthquake occur and average about once per year. The point earthquake parameters, the point directly above the focus on the surface is the epicenter. The point inside the earth where the earthquake begins is the hypocenter. The hypocenter, exact location of the earthquake disturbance with the few exceptions, is located below the surface of the earth. Epicenter, the position of the earth's surface directly above the focus. A tsunami is a very good dangerous for the after the earthquake. How is earthquake epicenter located? P waves arrive the first, then S waves, then L waves, and finally R waves. After the earthquake, the difference in the arrival times in seismograph station can be used to calculate the distance from the seismograph to the epicenters. How long do the earthquake last? Generally, only second. Strong ground shaking during the moderate to large earthquake, typically about 10 to 30 seconds. And a readjustment in the earth can cause the more earthquake than intermediately for weeks or 18 months, 1 month. Approximately 18% of Indian population live in the 72 coastal districts. India has the 82 observation center entire breadth of the country. The other network are National Geophysical Research Institute, NGRI, Wadia Institute of Himalaya Geology, Dehradun, Northeast Indian Institute of Science and Technology, Jorhat, Institute of Seismological Research, Gandhinagar, Geology Survey of India, Calcutta, and Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Roorkee. These are the major seismological network in India. Thank you very much.